If you do SEO or GEO and have never looked into Cloudflare, that's probably the case. No wonder, because it's a purely IT system. But for SEOs and GEOs, it's becoming increasingly important, especially nowadays with all sorts of systems accessing the website. That's why today I want to show you what Cloudflare looks like, so you can get a bit of an impression. And especially when you're talking to IT, you'll be able to define the requirements a bit better if necessary. First, let's take a look at what Cloudflare actually is. Cloudflare is a layer between the user and the web server. It's responsible for various things and leans a bit towards security, geolocation, and bot management, which is a major part of Cloudflare. But it's also about improving performance, caching, and similar functions. As you can see here, everything that Cloudflare approves goes onto the server. Everything that Cloudflare blocks ends up in the trash. This request will never appear in a server log. And then the server sends the response back through Cloudflare, or Cloudflare delivers the response directly to the user onward. That means the only one who really knows what's happening on your website or what is being requested is Cloudflare. The server logs alone won't help you figure out whether a request was blocked or not. Alright everyone, today I want to give you a very brief and concise introduction to the topic we are covering. Cloudflare. I just want to give you a brief overview. So here we have, so to speak, the overview for a domain, and you have a lot of possible subpages here. Today I'm only going to cover a few of them. There will be a few more videos or also related blog posts on the topic of Cloudflare. Just as a rough overview, what's relatively new and probably already very interesting for anyone out there using Cloudflare is AI crawl control. That's a new section. It's only been around for, I don't even know, about a year or something like that. And if you look here, you can already see the different requests that are coming in. And here you also have the option to take a closer look at which bots are doing how much. For example, the JGPT user bot also appears here. That's not a classic bot, but rather something more like web fetch. Then there's also a Google bot as a classic bot, but also the GPT bot. And here you can see how many requests were made. And the interesting thing is you can also see how many didn't work or also may have been blocked or something similar. This is a super interesting and highly useful area of the dashboard. You can also look at many different metrics here, have specific status codes displayed for each request, and see exactly which pages were accessed by users. That means up here in the search bar, I could now, for example, search for ChatGPT to see its specific data. Filter by user bot, and then see directly below, okay, these pages were accessed this many times. This already gives you some initial insights into how active or which pages, for example, appear more frequently in results. Well, not necessarily in the results, but which appear in the sources, were visited by Jetty Beauty and similar things. You can already see here that there are various control options in Cloudflare as well, and that's something you should know. Here you can relatively easily block user agents. You can even manage the entire robots.txt through it, yes. Manage it, meaning you can say here, hey, I want to set these and those settings. This is also one of the somewhat newer features of Cloudflare. So here you have the option to say, hey, I want to automatically apply certain instructions and similar things. Cloudflare already offers entry points for that as well, and then the robots.txt is essentially extended, overwritten, or whatever you need. There are also other areas. There's an analytics and logs section where you can look at the traffic. There are also options here in the area of speed optimization to do certain things. There are so-called workers, things like that. We'll cover those in more detail later in the series. I'd like to show you one more small thing because it's also super interesting, the AI crawl control. It provides more of a general overview. The Log Explorer is basically there to let you take a detailed look at the logs that have come in. And here there's a query builder. You can set up various filters and similar things. But you can also save queries, and it's relatively easy once you have a query and know how it's structured, since this is in SQL format, to quickly check, hey, how Was the Googlebot active? Which pages did it visit? Where did it get something? This is just a sample example for now, where you can see, okay, the Googlebot received this many 200s and this many 400s. But you can break all of this down and save it. We'll take a close look at the Log Explorer in a part of this series because it's an extremely powerful tool. On the one hand, in the area of Google bots, but also with all the language bots, where you can already get some initial, deeper insights. Everything we're looking at here is all with Cloudflare. It's possible with the free report or free version. With the enterprise version, you have many more options, but in this series, we'll stick to the free version. Exactly, and the other points should give you a rough overview for now. There are a few more details in the blog post about this. And exactly, the following parts will go into more detail about what's possible in the area of the Logs Explorer, what configuration options you have, and also what you can do in the areas of performance or with workers. So this is basically the first introduction to it, and I'm looking forward to the next parts of the series and to your feedback. See you then.